hurry in. Lenscrafters.
Well, yes, it's...
Show me the Carfax.
Can you show me the
You want that?
Sunglass holder.
Oh.
Before you buy a used car, get a Carfax report. It's free at thousands of reputable dealers.
No.
Just say, show me the Carfax.
Here's me, and here's my depression. Before I started taking Abilify, I was taking an antidepressant alone. Most days I could put on a brave face and muddle through, but other days I still struggled with my depression. I was managing, but it always had a way of creeping up on me. I felt stuck. I just couldn't shake my depression. So I talked to my doctor. He said adding Abilify to an antidepressant could help with my depression, and that some people had symptom improvement as early as 1 to 2 weeks. He also told me about a free trial offer from Abilify. Now, I feel more in control of my depression.
Abilify is not for everyone. Call your doctor if your depression worsens or if you have unusual changes in behavior or thoughts of suicide. Antidepressants can increase these in children, teens, and young adults. Elderly dementia patients taking Abilify have an increased risk of death or stroke. Call your doctor if you have high fever, stiff muscles, and confusion to address a possible life-threatening condition, or if you have uncontrollable muscle movements, as these could become permanent. High blood sugar has been reported with Abilify and medicines like it. In some cases, extreme high blood sugar can lead to coma or death. Other risks include decreases in white blood cells, which can be serious, dizziness upon standing, seizures, trouble swallowing, and impaired judgment or motor skills.
Depression used to define me. Then my doctor added Abilify to my antidepressant. Now, I feel better.
If you are still struggling with depression, talk to your doctor to see if the option of adding Abilify is right for you. And be sure to ask about the free trial offer.
Come here. Come here.
When you're responsible for this much of a team, you need a car you can count on.
The only season of Sanctuary. All new Mondays to 10. Only outside.
Nationwide Insurance, talk to me.
Should I bundle all my policies with Nationwide Insurance?
Watch this. On one hand, you have your home insurance with one company, and on another hand, you have your auto with another. And on another hand, you have your life with another. But when you bundle them all together with Nationwide Insurance, they all work together perfectly, and you could save 25%. Wow, all the risks. Nationwide is on your side.
I opened a new world with my Visa prepaid card. A world that runs on my terms and my schedule. I opened a world where I'm online, not in line. Where I have access to my money and to the things I need. A world with a brighter future that's open to everyone. And I did it with a Visa prepaid card.
Go open a new world. More people go with Visa.
Available at Walmart.
Think you've got what it takes to tell real life for legend.
Hey!
Urban Legends, an original series, all new Fridays at 10.
What are you doing?
Sci-fi. For an all-new season of Hollywood Treasure, the stories are real.
She really needs the money.
And the outcomes are life-changing.
Do you realize how much these could be worth?
Hollywood Treasure, an original series, premieres Wednesday, June 1st at 10, only on Sci-Fi.
Stop! Stop! He's awake! See that? What am I? Sorcery. Algebra. Where's the girl? Sinbad, she was. Wait! Sinbad! Get out of my way. You saw it for yourself. These people are...
It's more than that. The chronicles speak of royal sacrifices to the Minotaur, delivered to him by a high priestess and those of his bloodline. Don't you see, Sinbad? Princess, the beast down to the labyrinth, they're all connected. I killed